right, this way, as closely as possible towards the front for me, please. Please stay far away from both of those doors because they will be closing automatically behind you guys. Y'all probably wondering why you're stuck in a room with a complete stranger like myself. Yeah, y'all got invited to an after party. Hey Mia, what's up, bestie?
Hey Pat, I see our partygoers have arrived.
Yes, they just got in, but please introduce yourself first.
Hey everybody, I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother with another car for a selection.
Girl, they don't care.
Honestly, I don't know why anybody's challenging.
They want the party details. Let's go.
We're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the after party, and while
Keep coming in, y'all. Keep coming in.
you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room.
Aww.
Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
He needs a
The
therapist.
pictures you see on his walls are our family.
My face ain't up
And
there.
in this room, I feel like we're all
Been here for 10 years, so welcome to the fake family, I guess. Oh, it's Tej. Hey Tej, welcome to the break room monitor with me and Mia.
All right. What's up, Mia?
And Pat.
Tej, just welcoming these good people to
That
our
was just
family.
rude, okay?
How the rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
He loves Transformers, I'm sorry.
I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
Bye, Mia. Anyways, for the after party.
Let's
Yes.
get these people on their way. Send them over to the war room.
You got it, boss. Any words of wisdom you'd like to share with them?
Please.
Well, that was short and sweet. Okay, cool. So once those doors open, you're going to introduce yourselves to my good friend Jamie. It is their first day completely alone away from Tej. I promise you. Highly qualified, highly trained. They use ChatGPT to get the job.
Hi guys, how's it going? Oh good, I don't have to do no chit chat.
Jamie.
Yes.
The buses are here.
Alright, cool. So I can start sending them on their way now. Go back to what I was doing. Dom's trying to call you.
I got this, Jamie.
That's good. I wasn't
Dom,
going to do it
what up?
anyway.
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs. The FBI is about to raid your location.
Oh no.
Man, they always ruining our fun.
Every 4
It
minutes?
gets worse. They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
I don't know who that is.
Shaw, that cockroach we beat down in Spain?
I could garage
What's he got to do with this?
Everything.
Nothing yet.
Apparently
And
nothing.
let's keep it that way.
I just work here.
Get those people on those buses.
I was gonna do that.
You need to start plugging out right
You
now.
interrupted me.
And get that turbo truck ready. I'm sending Letty there to pick it up.
You on that?
I'm on it.
He's on that.
Hobbs needs our help. He needs our team.
That's you guys.
Spread the word.
Tell everyone you
But
know.
keep it in our family.
In the room.
And keep it quiet.
Never mind. Say nothing. It's the other bald guy.
It's Hobbs.
Yeah,
Hobbs, my man.
that's what I said.
What up?
Sorry, Brother Tej, no time for chit-chat. I just sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
No.
Yeah.
Maybe.
He wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
That.
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going. We need to discuss how you're gonna get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the
Oh,
FBI.
now they're not family? Sure.
Okay, hold on. Let me get everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
Yeah.
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phones. We don't want Shaw tracking your location.
As he calls us on the cell phone.
Okay, Jamie, you heard the man.
Everybody heard
It's
you.
about to go to a whole nother level.
Jail.
Send everybody to the loading dock.
Okie dokie. Alright guys, doors on the right. We'll take you to the loading docks. Have fun at the party with the FBI. Yippee. Bye.
Attention partygoers, welcome to Fast and Furious Supercharged. To keep your wait time reduced, please keep up with the party ahead of you. For your safety, please stay off any of our warehouse railings, trees, curbs, or props. If you have any questions, please speak with the nearest party crew member. All right, enjoy the ride.
My man Hobbs wants to talk directly to y'all, so I'm patching him through now.
My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come, and he'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from Shaw, but to keep you safe, we need your help. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras, because one flash or ringtone could give us away. And remember, got a problem? We're doing it together.
Everybody out! It's the FBI! Turn that music off! Come on, get moving. The door's right there. Get moving. Get out. Everybody out.
This is what we're doing. This is the race day after party. And then what other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Damn.
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, let's back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of tonight.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Oh, man.
It was on vibrate. Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Okay, gang, no flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
Speak now, or we won't get caught.
This is our time.
And witness, whoever you are, you lucky to be riding with this crew. They got your back.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys did good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
remain fully seated at all times.
As a reminder for everyone's safety, please remain fully seated at all times. This includes any children